Okay, we can start.
Okay, namaste everyone.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Okay. So today my friend is going to come to visit our session. She wants to attend our session. So I have called her today. Would you all like to meet my friend?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am. Okay. So Brumi, where are you? Brumi, are you there? Brumi. Oh, where were you, Brumi? I was calling you since so long.
Hello, everyone. Namaste.
Hello, namaste.
Brumi, your namaste is very thanda today. What happened? Yesterday you were so excited, but what happened suddenly? Your namaste is not very excited. What happened?
I am very, very sad today.
Why? Why, Brumi?
Today, my mama was not allowing me to come for the session
Oh, did you ask her why? Why didn't she allow you?
because she's telling this coronavirus is very deadly and I'm not supposed to move out of the house.
Oh, that's sad. But you should tell Mama, no? That we are not going out. I'm not going to go out. Did you tell her that?
I I told her, I said her that I'm not going out, but my friends are waiting for me to see me. Today I am a special guest for this presentation.
Oh, so did she get convinced with your answer?
No, she was telling me to wear mask, but I told her no, I'm not going to wear my mask because my beautiful lips will not be seen.
Oh, okay. So, you are happy now that you have come to the session?
Yes, I'm so happy because I can see many of my friends today, new friends.
Great, great. So, shall we begin with the session, Brumi?
Yay, yay, yippee!
Okay. But you know one thing, you are not supposed to speak in between, okay? You're going to stay on mute. And then you're going to listen to our topic, which is story based learning. Are you going to listen to me? You're going to stay on mute. Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to mute yourself and I would request Hina ma'am to share her screen.
Bye bye,
Bye,
everyone.
Brumi. Bye bye. Bye. Be alert.
Namaste, everyone. A very warm welcome for this storytelling presentation. Uh, I, Hina Sheikh, with my team members, Sharon De Mello ma'am, Sharon Kinney ma'am, Veena ma'am, and Prajakta ma'am. So I will present my screen and I will give a small presentation. What is storytelling all about? Welcome to storytelling. Let's see, teaching through storytelling. Storytelling, it is the art of using language, vocalization, physical movement, and gestures to reveal the elements and images of a story to a specific live audience. What is storytelling? Storytelling is the social and cultural activity of sharing stories, often with improvisation, theatrics, or embellishment. Story or narratives have been shared in every culture as means of entertainment, education, cultural preservation, and instilling moral values. In a story, elements of story, the plot of a great story includes a starting point, quickly setting up the story, an interesting dilemma or conflict, the journey to resolve the conflict, climax, resolution, the lesson learned. Why mother tongue education is so much important? Why we should teach mother tongue? Research shows that children with strong foundation in their mother tongue tend to do better in the later years of their education. MET inclusion of guided transition from learning through mother tongue education to learning through another language. Teaching learning entirely in child's home language, build fluency in mother tongue education, introduce only orals at the beginning, like storytelling, English or in English or in a child's understanding ability. Build oral fluency, use both the languages, whether it is English or mother tongue. It will help the child to retain the things for lifelong learning. Why storytelling? Educators have long known that the arts can contribute to students' academic success and emotional well-being. The ancient art of storytelling is especially well suited for student exploration. No special equipment beyond the immediate. Just a moment, ma'am. Excuse me. Getting request. Okay. Imagination and the power of listening and speaking is needed to create artistic images. As a learning tool, storytelling can encourage students to explore their unique expressiveness and can heighten a student's ability to communicate thoughts and feelings in an articulate, lucid manner. Okay, let's see few more things in why storytelling is so important. Is a part of who we are, means of passing knowledge, skills, and information since beginning of time. Story important in mother tongue, culturally based. Children, if not all humans, enjoy listening and telling to stories. They are familiar with narrative conventions. They can make predictions that what will happen next, hence enhancing on their thinking and imaginative ability. Ideal introduction to the present, the language in a familiar and memorable context. Stories are very motivating, challenging, and great fun for children. They can help develop positive attitude towards the language, the culture, and language learning on a whole. Like, let's see making connections. What all things comes in making connections? Stories are powerful source of imagination. Stories can lead the children towards creative thinking than writing. Stories can make your class more communicative. Stories can be more helpful, make a child confident. Stories can introduce cultural activities. It builds more moral values in an interesting way. It enhances public speakings and it also reduces stage fear. Now, storytelling as a teaching strategy in the language classroom. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listening to the stories helps children become aware of the rhythm, intonation, pronunciation of language. Sharing of social experience, it provokes a shared response of laughter, sadness, excitement, and anticipation, which is not only enjoyable but can help to build all the child's confidence and encourage social and emotional development. Teaching learning aids, audio tapes, internet books with good pictures, vibrant pictures, slides, or just a story. It is very beneficial to sit in a circle. It enhances social interaction. If telling clear voice, suitable gestures, music, and dances. Storytelling as a speaking skills. In dialogues, different voices for different characters is very important. Use of voice to create atmosphere or tension as the story progresses. Use gestures and facial expression so children can visualize things in their mind. Pacing involves volume and rate of speaking. Teach children the techniques how to say a story. Introduce lesson by telling about yourself and encourage children to do the same. Let the child then introduce the next person sitting beside him or her. For an example, if we say a story that a sentence, one single sentence from the first person, the second person carries on the second sentences. So like this, the story can be built up and good it will be a very good story by the end of the completion. Now, storytelling as a reading. Gather children in a circle around you or near your chair, close to each other for a better eye contact. Because in storytelling, eye contact is very important. Can place title on a board for children to see the written word, your vocabulary, written word. To set children to thinking mode, begin story with a question. Always begin a story with a question like, have you ever tasted food from another country? Did you like the place which we have learned earlier in history or not? Did you visit Rajasthan? Did you visit any interesting places with your parents? As they answer, encourage them to listen to others as well. Your listening is also happening. Try to use all the senses in a story. Encourage them to listen to the story. Example, about what happened to Anaida in the story. Use home-based books. Big books are better in foundational years. Use communication skills like expression, phrasing, fluency, facial expression, emphasis on voice so children can imitate when retelling the story. Now let's see writing. As everybody here is aware, in writing, beginning, middle, and end, this three aspect is very important. Like catch the reader's attention while you begin the story. Make the opening dramatic. Make the reader want to read on. Take the reader straight into the story. Now in middle, keep the action going. Develop the characters and storyline. By the end, draw all the threads of the story together. Resolve any conflict within the story. Complete the telling of events. Picture writing could be excellent way for younger children. Now let's see storytelling vocabulary acquisition. Take children for a walk within the school premises. Let them observe and write down anything they see around them. When you are back into the classroom, let them tell what they saw. If they are not comfortable in saying, give them a sheet. They can draw as well what they have seen when they were out. When they saw when they're out. If possible, make a vocabulary folder with pictures of items saw and their names. Yippee! It's story time by Miss Sharon Kinney and Miss Veena Ferreira. Now I would request Sharon ma'am to take the presentation further. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Hina ma'am. Yes. So, namaste everyone. We will be showing how a story can be included to teach a concept of math at the preparatory stage. So, I request everyone to kindly pin on Veena ma'am or Veena Ferreira ma'am, the icon, the name Veena Ferreira. Okay. So, the story goes like this. One day, a very famous mathematician called a meeting of numbers. Come, we all will have a meeting. All the numbers except 0 came to the meeting. 0 did not like to go in the meetings and was hiding in an unknown place. The mathematician orders the other numbers. Go and find him. They began to search for him. At last, they found him hiding behind a house. They brought him back to the mathematician. The mathematician then asked 0, why are you afraid to attend the meeting, dear 0? Now, teachers, here I would like you all to answer through the chat box. Why was the number 0 afraid to attend the meeting? Do you all have any answers? Why was 0 afraid of the meeting? Or you can unmute and say. Any idea why 0 was afraid of the meeting?
Because 0 was in the form of circle and he might not like his shape.
Yes, good try, Vandana ma'am. Thank you. Yes,
Sharon
he
ma'am,
thought, yes.
I think Zeros thinks that he has no value and people won't respect him in the meeting or something like that. So he was scared
Yes,
of
yes.
embarrassment, or he was embarrassed, rather, I would say.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Greg sir. Thank you so much, Deepa ma'am, Disha ma'am, and Dhanashri ma'am for answering. Okay. So now let's see what 0 has to say for us. Okay. So I request everyone to pin on Veena ma'am again. Okay. 0 started crying and said in a broken voice, I am 0. I have no value. They do not respect me, and that hurts me a lot. This is the reason I do not attend the meetings. The mathematician thought for a while. And said to number 1, go and stand beside 0. 0 got confused. Why are you asking number 1 to do so? The mathematician then asked the other numbers, what is the value of this number? So, what is the value of this number now if 1 and 0 are kept together? I want your answers in the chat box. Yes, very good. Thank you, Sharon ma'am, Sharon Dimelo ma'am, Deepa ma'am, Nisha ma'am. It's number 10. Yes. Now, the mathematician orders the other zeros. Go and stand beside one another. So now what is the value of this number now if two zeros are added to the number 1? Are kept beside number 1. Yes, very good, 100. So when such zeros are added, we get 100, we get 1000, we get 10,000, we get lakhs. Yes, very good. So now zero realized that as the zero increases, the value of the number also increases. Zero also realized that he is also important and he is very happy now. La 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 la. Okay, so dear teachers, few questions for you all. Okay, yes. So what moral value can be inculcated through this story? I want your answers in the chat box, or you all can unmute yourself and you can say what is the moral, what is the value, moral value. What is the moral of the story? Unity, yes. Anyone who can unmute themselves? No one can live alone. Teamwork, yes. Very good. Thank you so much, Greg sir. So yes.
Also, I would like to add that every individual has its own value. So every individual member also should be confident of himself or herself.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Smita ma'am. Yes. So the moral of the story is nobody is ordinary. Everybody has its everybody is unique and has its own value and beautiful in their own way, right? Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. Now we have a mathematician, Veena ma'am. Be ready to answer. She has some questions for us. Be ready to answer her questions. Over to you, Veena ma'am.
Veena ma'am, I have started the presentation. Just a minute. Okay, Veena ma'am, you can start.
Veena, can you start this?
I think you are on mute, Veena ma'am.
Ma'am, please check your audio.
Veena ma'am, you are on mute. Yes, now you are. Veena ma'am. No, we cannot hear you, Veena ma'am. No. No, we cannot hear.
मैम your
मैम
phone
उन्होंने
or
शायद हैंड्स फ्री
your
जो
phone
लगाया
or
है ना वो सही अटैच नहीं है, कॉर्ड सही अटैच नहीं है.
हेलो.
Now you are audible.
ओके ओके. अरे बच्चों मुझे पहचानो, कहाँ से आया, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन, मैं हूँ कौन. Put your answer in the chat box. Can anybody recognize me? Who am I? Sharon ma'am had just introduced me.
John.
मैं numbers का डॉन हूँ. Yes, मैं numbers का डॉन हूँ. Very good. Thank you for your good answers. Okay. अभी abracadabra. मैं आपको okay. मी काही तुम्हाला कोडे देणार आहे आणि ते कोडे तुम्हाला सोडवावे पडतील. ओके. मैं आपको कुछ रिडल्स पूछने वाली हूँ और आपको मुझे उसका आंसर बताना है. ओके. So put your thinking cap like my magic cap. Okay. So you have to keep your thinking cap on. Abracadabra. मेरे आंसर्स आप स्क्रीन पे आने दो. मेरे क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट. Hina ma'am, can you start this? Hina ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We are able to see.
Ma'am, I have started my presentation. The question is on the screen. Hello, Veena ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You can see the question on the screen.
Okay. What did the triangle say to the circle? Can you answer this? What did the triangle say to the circle?
Nisha ma'am is saying
आपका
that I
answer
have 2 corners. What about you?
देखो सर्कल नहीं दबी है क्या है?
वीना मैम, धनुश्री मैम कह रहे हैं तुम गोल गोल क्यों हो?
Pardon?
धनुश्री मैम इज सेइंग तुम गोल गोल क्यों हो?
ओ मैं गोल गोल को क्यों हूँ? मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ओके थोड़ा देर रुको. ओके रुको. नहीं मुझे राइट आंसर मिला ही नहीं है. मैं क्यों अभी मैं ही बताऊंगी. मुझे
वीना मैम, there are 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Champa ma'am is saying I have 3 corners. Triangle says.
बट ट्राइंगल ही पूछ रहा है ना सर्कल को. अब क्यों है? That what did the triangle say to the circle? What did he say? Come on.
Nisha
You know
ma'am
what
is
did he
saying
say?
that I have 3 corners. What about you?
Okay. Okay, it's okay. But still, put on your thinking cap.
The triangle said to the circle that I poke. I have 3 sides. I poke others. Why don't you poke?
Okay. Well done. Well, good try. Sir, very good. Good try. Still more. I want some more answers. Okay. Let the abracadabra. Let the answer be on the screen. क्या है आंसर? देखा आपने?
Good one.
What it is? Tell me. Oh, you are pointless. अभी सेकंड वाला. ओके दूसरा प्रश्न. ओ तो पॉइंटलेस. देखो हम लोग सोचते नहीं उस in that sense. Okay, second question. How do mathematician plow the field? Come on, which instrument does he use? Put your thinking cap. जल्दी बच्चों, सोचो. Write your answers in the chat box. How do the mathematicians plow the field? Which instrument do they use? They use some instruments, right? Hello?
Nisha ma'am is saying numbers. Greg sir is saying 7.
Instruments.
Protector. Dhanishri ma'am is saying protector.
Yes, very good. Well done. Protractor. Well done, Dhanishri ma'am. Who was that? Dhanishri ma'am. Very good. Well done. A loud round of applause to you. Very good. Okay. Now let's next question.
Veena ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We want to hear abracadabra. Then only the question will appear. The computer.
Okay. Abracadabra. Let the question appear on the screen. Okay. The question: why is the obtuse angle always upset? Why is he always upset?
Maya ma'am is saying half circle. Nisha ma'am is saying because he is very big.
I think because he's little jealous of acute angle because acute angle is very cute.
Very close. Very good. Very close. Come on. Very good. Well done, Greg sir. Next. Come on. नहीं आ रहा है. ट्राई करो. ये है. चलो अब तो मैं आंसर बता देता हूँ.
Big stomach. Sarna ma'am is saying big stomach.
Yes, big stomach.
Big.
Close.
Come on, audience.
Okay.
Very fat.
Audience, come on. चलो. अपना thinking cap पहनो.
Math teachers. Ashok sir, Amar sir, Purva ma'am.
मैथ्स सर सोए. मैथ्स की टीचर सोए है क्या? चलो जागो. ओके, मैं तो इतना देर तक रुक नहीं सकती हूँ, आपका आंसर बता
All
देती हूँ.
abuse
ओके,
him. Dhanishri ma'am is saying all abuse him.
yes, you're close. Come on, and let the answer appear on the screen. Because it is never right. अरे बाबा सोचो, वो तो right ही नहीं होता, right angle नहीं होता ना, because he's never right. Okay. Because he is never right. He is never right angle, no? Okay. Abracadabra. Let the next question appear on the screen.
I know the
Okay.
answer.
This
Because-
is related
Can I
to
answer?
English, right? Why
Greg,
was
seven,
it
eight,
don't,
nine.
don't.
7?
Greg
I'm first
sir,
afraid of 7. Come on, answer. What is the answer?
Because 7, 8, 9. So 6 is afraid of 7.
Yes, even I.
Oh, wow, very good. Well done, Greg sir. Very good. Okay. Abracadabra. Let the next question appear on the screen. Why was the math book sad?
I know the answer.
Why?
Greg sir, you be quiet.
Greg sir, please don't answer.
Why
Yeah, my
was
grade will
the
go low,
math
yaar.
book sad? अच्छा बोलो बोलो तो उनको चांस मिलने
Because-
दो, चलो बोलो.
Because the math book always have lots of problems.
Oh wow, very good. A round of applause to you. Well
Yes,
done,
in the
man.
chat box also, Veena ma'am, it has problems. Yeah, VP ma'am says as some numbers were missing. Champa ma'am says because it has problem.
Yes, very good. Well done, well done, well done. Well tried. Good job. Okay. Abracadabra. Let the next question appear on the screen. Okay. Why did the students do multiplication sums on the floor? Why did the students do multiplication sums on the floor?
Nisha ma'am is saying because they can add.
No. Try. Try. Good try. Come on.
Greg sir is saying that multiply means ply. VP man
No.
is saying to give space to the increase in numbers.
No. Try.
Ma'am, may I? I
Avinash ma'am.
guess because I've heard that teacher tells not to use tables.
Oh wow,
That's
very good.
why they use floor.
Well done. Very good. Well done, Avinash ma'am. A round of
Yay,
applause. to
thank you.
too. Wow, very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Now,
मैम ये आंसर तो मैम ने बताया है, हमको तो बच्चों से ही पूछना है ना.
अच्छा अविनाश ने बताया.
मैम अभी
अविनाश
मैं
का
बच्ची हूँ, अभी मैं वीना
मैं-
मैम की बच्ची
हाँ।
हूँ.
नहीं मैम ने मैम कहा ना कि मैम आप
अच्छा,
बताइए, तो
sorry,
मुझे
sorry,
लगा
sorry.
कि मैम कैसे आंसर बता सकती
अच्छा
है.
अविनाश.
मैम
okay.
बच्चों से ही
Okay.
पूछिए ना.
अच्छा,
Okay,
बच्चों
Maya,
से-
don't fight. Next
Thank
time we
you.
बच्चों
will
से ही
give
पूछ-
answer.
अच्छा माया
हाँ.
में बच्चों से ही पूछती हो. ओके
हाँ
रुको.
प्लीज मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Abracadabra. Let the next question appear on the screen. Okay. 7 is an odd number. Take a letter away from 7. What does it becomes?
Everybody is writing even.
Yes, this was easy. Very good. It is even only right. You are right. Well done, everybody. Whoever's answered, well done. Okay. Have you enjoyed the riddle? Yes, children, have you enjoyed the riddle?
Yes,
Yes.
Have you
ma'am.
enjoyed all this? You have to use little brains, right? Okay. So you have to do more research. Go home and do more research. Okay. Abracadabra. Now let me go away and let me call someone else. Listen to whom I'm calling. I would like Rajata ma'am to come and carry the presentation forward. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste, everyone. I hope you all are doing well at home, right? Are you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
doing well at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I'm going to
No,
tell you
ma'am.
a story of a
Ma'am, no, I'm
person
not doing
who. Am I audible?
Yes,
You asked, are you
Yes.
doing well? I'm not doing well, ma'am. I'm doing a pond at home.
Okay. Okay, continue with the pond, okay? Continue doing that pond, making that pond. Okay. So I'm going to tell you a story of a person who lives in Rajasthan. Okay. So in Rajasthan, in a city called Jodhpur, would you like to visit Rajasthan with me? Would you like to come to Rajasthan with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Please
I
take.
want to visit with
Okay.
you.
Yes, so I would like you all to pin on Sharon DeMello's name, okay? केसरिया बालम आओ नी पधारो निम्हारे देश रे पधारो निम्हारे देश केसरिया बालम आओ नी पधारो निम्हारे देश रे पधारो निम्हारे देश.
Ma'am, Thara Desh?
Okay. Yes. Rajasthan is in India. Okay. So, now I'm going to begin. I would like everybody to pin on Prajakta, please. Okay. So, I'm going to tell you a story of a person who lived in Jodhpur. You know, his name was Ruparam. Ruparam was a tailor. He was not an ordinary tailor, huh? He was a very famous tailor. He stitched clothes for all the people in Jodhpur. And you know what? In today's day, we see machines which have motors. Yes, they work on electricity. But Ruparam had a machine which had a pedal. And you know how the machine worked? Sar-sat, sar-sat, sar-sat. And the machine made this sound. And the scissors went snip, 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 snip. And he used sui dhaga, sui dhaga, sui dhaga. And he made so beautiful clothes. His clothes were exquisite. He designed the clothes with mirrors, with gotas, with laces, and his work was very, very beautiful. And people loved his work, the way he stitched his clothes. You know what? But Ruparam was not always happy. He was sometimes feeling sad, thinking about his family. His family never demanded anything from him. New clothes. His family he had his wife and his 2 children, one boy and a girl. But they were happy with whatever they had. But Ruparam always thought that he couldn't stitch clothes for them. So that sadness was for very little time. You know why? Because he had a radio with him. In radio, he used to always hear this song. O guna bije badlo ye badri, O guna bije mot veva misri surangi rut sur, Bareli rut sur, Bareli rut ai mara des de, Bareli rut ai mara des. And when this song was played, he was energetic. He was full of energy, stitching his clothes very beautifully. And he forgot that sadness. Even we sometimes, when we are sad or depressed or we have some tension, we hear our favorite songs and we are again renewed with new energy, right? Same way Ruparam was. And he was filled with energy and continued stitching his clothes. One day, somebody knocked at his door. And Ruparam opened the door and he saw, Kamba Ganisa, Kamba Ganisa. He wished, you know who was at his doorstep? It was a big, rich merchant with his wife standing at his doorstep. And Ruparam was, Ji Sahab. And the merchant said, Ruparam, I have my son who's going to get married and I want you to stitch his clothes and stitch the clothes of all the Baratis. Or from the boys' side and the girls' side. Would you stitch the clothes for me? And I'm not going to give it to any other tailors because you are the finest tailors in Jodhpur. So Ruparam said, जी साहब मैं कर लूंगा. I will stitch the clothes for the Baratis. And the merchant said, Ghani ghani khamma, and the merchant left. And Ruparam was so thrilled and so excited that he got such a big order to stitch the clothes, and Ruparam worked day in and day out. He didn't go anywhere. He just stitched the clothes day and night. And you know what? One day, while he was stitching the clothes, there was somebody who came from merchant's place with an invitation card. And he gave it to Ruparam. Ruparam saw the invitation card and he was a little bit nervous. How can I go for the wedding in such a rich man's wedding? And the person said, why not, Ruparam? You're such a famous tailor and you have stitched such beautiful clothes. You have to go for the wedding. And Ruparam thought and he said, Ji, theek hai, I will try. And the person leaves. And then Ruparam tells his wife that I have to go for the wedding. But you know what? I have a safa which is dirty. Because I wear it every day and it's dirty and it's torn. What should I do? So his wife says, you go for the wedding. And come on, Ruparam, you are a tailor. You can mend it. So Ruparam said, okay, I'll mend the safa. The moment he started mending the safa here, the sound started coming from here. It started tearing from here. The moment he mended here, it started tearing from here. And he kept on mending it and the safa kept on tearing. But you know what his wife said? It's okay, Ruparam, you just leave for the wedding. You just go. Everything will be fine. And then Ruparam sits on his cycle and he sings this song. Kesariya balam aoni padharo nimhare des. And he reaches to the wedding place. He sees all the Baratis running here and there, doing some other work, and there is a lot of excitement in that wedding. But Ruparam, he goes with a very innocent and very embarrassing facial expressions, because he's wearing very old safa, right? And obviously anybody will feel little bit embarrassed, to go to a wedding of a rich merchant's son. And he reached the palace and he heard the sounds of shehnais and those. And you know what? Who was waiting near the door for Ruparam? The merchant. And the merchant gave him something. You know what he gave him? A new safa. And he told Ruparam, "Chalo pehno." And Ruparam kept the old safa down and he wore the new safa. Just a minute, okay? He wore the new safa. And he was so happy. Wow! He was so happy with the safa and he was feeling the cloth. Now he was feeling the cloth because the safa's cloth was very, very exquisite, very costly. And you know what? With that excitement, Ruparam didn't eat food in the wedding and he rushed to his home. The people were saying, "Arey Ruparam, kya dikh rahe ho? Wow! You are looking so good with this safa." And Ruparam, with no time left, he just rushed to his home and he knocked the door in a hurry. And his wife opened the door. "Arey Ruparam, you are looking so nice. Who gave you the safa?" You know, I thank you so much, wife, that you sent me to go. You told me to go to the wedding. And because I went, I got this new safa. Isn't it beautiful? And his wife was saying, yes, it is beautiful. Ruparam was so excited that he didn't sleep without the safa. Whenever he went to sleep, he wore the safa. He went to the market, he wore the safa. He showed off the safa so much that he wore it every day. And he also showed his friends, "मैं कैसे लग रहा हूँ?" And the friends said, "अरे बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो तुम, बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो." And he wore it every day and everywhere. And because of that, every day if we wear a same cloth, it starts wearing out. And the safa started wearing out and it started becoming old. So he didn't throw the safa, okay? He kept the safa. And he thought for a while, कि अभी ये साफा पुराना हो गया है, थोड़ा गंदा लग रहा है, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ इसका? मुझे ये फेंकना नहीं है. But you know what? Ruparam knew that safa is long 9-meter cloth. So he thought that साफा तो ऊपर से गंदा हो गया है, मगर अंदर का कपड़ा तो बहुत अच्छा है, तो मैं इसका कुछ मेरी वाइफ के लिए कुछ बना सकता हूँ. And you know what? He made something for his wife. And it's an odhni. He made a beautiful odhni for his wife and he gifted her. Can you see the odhni? And he gifted to his wife and he told, "ये तुम्हारे लिए मैंने बनाया." And the wife is so happy looking at the odhni. "Oh Ruparam, thank you so much. You made this odhni for me." And she wore it. And she started singing Ruparam's favorite song, you know which? "Oh guna bide badlo ke badri, oh guna bide mot mein ba misri surangi rut, bareli rut, surangi rut ai mara desh re, bareli rut ai mara desh." And his wife was so excited that she wore this odhni everywhere. Wherever she went, she wore this odhni. She met her friends, she wore this odhni. She walked in the kitchen, she wore this odhni. And my God, She was so thrilled and excited to wear this odni and go everywhere. She also showed off her odni, but you know what? The odni also started wearing off, but his wife didn't throw it because the cloth was very soft and very lovely. So she didn't throw the odni. Okay, she kept the odni, and now Ruparam's cloth was left of the safa. So he thought of making something for his son. And you know what he made? He made a kurta for his son, and he gave it to his son. The son was so excited after seeing the kurta, and he said, "Baba, ye mere liye, thank you so much." And the son was so excited that he didn't wear his uniform to school. He wore this kurti and he went. Whenever he went to play with his friends, he wore this kurta. Whenever he went to the market, he wore this kurta, and he wore this kurta everywhere. And after wearing it every day, even the kurta started wearing off. But he didn't throw the kurta, huh? Ruparam kept that kurta very safely. And then Ruparam said, I should make something for my daughter. And guess what? What he made? He made a gudiya. He made a dress of gudiya with that cloth. And he gave it to his little gudiya and he said, Baby, ये तुम्हारे लिए है, Baba, ये तुम्हारे लिए है. And the daughter was so excited. Thank you, Baba. ये आपने मेरे लिए बनाया. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the girl was so excited that she took the doll everywhere wherever she went. She took the doll everywhere, and she kept the doll so safely. She didn't even sleep without the doll. And you know what? Little cloth was left of Ruparam. The safa cloth was left very little. Now Ruparam said, I'm not going to throw that little bit piece of cloth. I will make something out of it. And you know what he made? He made a rose out of that cloth. And he used that rose. He kept it near his radio when he worked. He kept it near his machine. He kept the rose. He roamed with the rose everywhere. Whenever he sat to drink tea, he kept the rose with him. And he was so thrilled with that rose that he took the rose everywhere, wherever he went. And this is the way he used the cloth of safa. And you know what? He also sang a song. Would you all like to sing with me? साफा से बनी ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी से कुर्ता, कुर्ता बन गई गुड़िया, गुड़िया से गुलाब. साफा बनी ओढ़नी, ओढ़नी से कुर्ता, कुर्ता बन गई गुड़िया और गुड़िया से गुलाब. सब मिलकर बन गई, सब मिलजुल कर बन गई एक नई कहानी. सब मिलजुल कर बन गई एक नई कहानी. साफा ओढ़नी कुर्ता, गुड़िया और गुलाब. साफा ओढ़नी कुर्ता, गुड़िया और गुलाब. And so this kahani was spread by Ruparam to all the people in Jodhpur. And he told this kahani to every person, whoever was in Jodhpur. And that way the story was spread everywhere. And he was a very clever tailor indeed. So here I can end with my story. And please, you can share this story with your friends of Ruparam. Okay?
अविनाश, कितनी अच्छी स्टोरी है. अविनाश, हम मैम को बोलेंगे ना, फिर से सुनाओ. मैम फिर से सुनाओ हमको प्लीज. मैम बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है. अब तो हम जोधपुर भी जाएंगे. कितने अच्छे से गाना गाते हैं वहाँ पर.
जाओ, it's a very beautiful place. Tell your parents to take you to Rajasthan, okay? And
Prajakta ma'am.
Yes, Avinash.
Prajakta ma'am.
हाँ दीपा।
प्राजक्ता मैम, वंदना है ना, उनको वो पधारे वाला जो सॉन्ग है ना वो आता है, बोलो ना उनको गाने के लिए।
हाँ
Okay,
मुझे भी
वंदना,
याद
sing,
है कि
sing.
वंदना भी राजस्थान की है। वंदना, आप बताओ ना कुछ अपने बारे में, वहां पर क्या क्या और होता है।
अगर मैंने बताना शुरू किया तो शाम हो जाएगी।
ओके वंदना, फिर
तीन
हम किसी दिन
तीन
मिल के
चार
बताएंगे,
वंदना,
मुझे
3 to
बताना।
4
हाँ
NEP सेशंस लगेंगे.
Sure, I'm ready,
Okay.
ma'am. Always ready. And I'm even ready to sing my song.
वंदना वंदना, प्रिंसिपल मैम आ गई है, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम
वंदना,
आ गई।
वंदना
चुप।
गाओ ना वो सॉन्ग।
वंदना,
Yes, ma'am.
2 लाइन गा देना आज.
ये this केसरिया one.
Anyone, your favorite
पधारो
song.
मारो देश।
चलो
नहीं, मैं
वंदना
एक
मैम,
हाँ मैं I would like to sing one
सैटरडे
song.
बना दो चलो।
जिसमें वो दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ है, दे आर इन द देयर बुलक कार्ट, और छोटी छोटी तकलीफें होती हैं फीमेल को, तो वो कैसे उस गाने में गा के बताती है, तो सुनेंगे आप। टूटी बाजू रारी लूं, लड़ी उलझी जाए, टूटी बाजू रारी लूं, लड़ी उलझी जाए, कोई पचरंगी लहरिया को पल्लो लहराए, धीमे चालो नी सांवरिया, होले चालो नी सांवरिया, झालो सयो नहीं जाए। तो वो शिकायत कर रही है, जो छोटी छोटी मुझे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, आप जब बुलक कार चलाते हो मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रही, तो थोड़ा धीमे धीमे चलाओ। थैंक यू।
वाह वंदना, कितना अच्छा गाया।
Wow, that's very nice, Vandana.
बहुत
Okay,
अच्छा
did you
वंदना।
all like the story, children?
यस मैम, यस मैम,
यस
दोबारा
Okay.
प्लीज सुनाइएगा।
मैम, बहुत अच्छा लगा, ऐसे लगा राजस्थान जाके आए। इस साल लॉकडाउन
Thank
की वजह से
you.
जा तो नहीं पाए, लेकिन आपने आधा राजस्थान तो घुमा ही दिया, आधे से ज्यादा।
मैम यू sang so
जी।
well, you sang so well मैम।
Thank you.
और मैम,
Okay, so
आपने जो
I would
आवाजें
like.
निकाली ना, आपने जो आवाजें निकाली ना, ड्रर, नॉक नॉक, वो सच में ऐसे मतलब रिदमिक था सब। थैंक यू मैम।
यस प्राजक्ता, आई
Thank
लाइक
you.
योर टर।
Prajakta, you were really fabulous. We enjoyed you today.
Yes, Prajakta
Thank
ma'am,
you.
you were
Thank you, ma'am.
amazing today, amazing today.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like Sharon DeMello to take the presentation further.
Okay. Thank you, Prajakta ma'am.
Yeah.
Namaste, everyone. Okay, so did you like the story? It was really very
मैम।
interesting.
यस मैम, बहुत अच्छी लगी।
ओके, देखते हैं आपको कितनी अच्छी लगी, आपने कितना उसे ध्यान से सुना। ओके, सो इसके लिए मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगी। प्लीज एवरीवन राइट योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स। ओके, सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस आफ्टर बीइंग थ्रू राजस्थान? प्लीज राइट योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स। Awesome. Okay, great. Wow, beautiful. Okay, thank you everyone. Yes, fantastic. Rangin. Okay. Yes, उसे प्राजक्ता मैम ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हमें समझाया ना, तो हमने और अच्छे से उसे एंजॉय किया। ओके, सो अभी हम जानते हैं कि आपको राजस्थान के बारे में क्या क्या पता है। ठीक है, सो हियर इज माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which are the festivals of Rajasthan? Please write your answer in the chat box. Which are the festival of Rajasthan? Gangor, yes, very good. Dasera, yes, very good. Tej, okay, very good. Holi, okay. Tej, okay. ओके, वेल डन, वेरी गुड एवरीवन, वेरी गुड। आपको बहुत सारे नॉलेज है राजस्थान के बारे में, वेरी गुड। आई रिक्वेस्ट हिना मैम, मैम प्लीज presentation. Everyone please pin on Hina ma'am name. Okay, now my next question, types of dance. Ghumar, yes, very good, Sonia ma'am. Ghumar, okay, very good. Yes, very good. It's written. Okay, well done, everyone. Okay, next question. Any famous monuments of Rajasthan? Children, write your answer in the chat box. Yes, very good. Victoria, Jaipur Fort, Udaipur Palace. Okay. Hawa Mahal. Yes, very good, Vandana ma'am. Hawa Mahal. Yes. Jantar Mantar. Okay, well done. Very good. Hina ma'am, please change the slide. Jal Mahal. Okay, very good. ओके सो आपके स्क्रीन पे जो पिक्चर्स है वो हवा महल और अमेर फोर्ट ओके है ओके वेल डन एवरीवन फैंटास्टिक वेरी गुड ओके सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हिच स्टेट डिड वी विजिट टुडे हमने आज कौन से स्टेट इट्स रिलेटेड टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस आर रिलेटेड टू स्टोरी यस राजस्थान आज हम राजस्थान घूम के आए वेरी गुड जयपुर
राजस्थान में जोधपुर घूम कर आए हैं
यस यस एब्सोल्युटली वेरी गुड माया मैम ओके वेरी गुड जोधपुर ओके ओके वेल डन एवरीवन माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन whom did we met there everyone please write your answer in the chat box yes Taylor Usha ma'am it's not Raja Ram it's Rupa Ram yes very good Rupa Ram very good well done everyone so सब लोग ने ध्यान से सुनी है ये स्टोरी very good Taylor Rupa Ram yes okay well done awesome next question who was Rupa Ram Taylor yes correct well done everyone fantastic okay well done next question what did he wore on his head
मैम साफा मेरा चैट बॉक्स नहीं चल रहा है मैम इसलिए मैंने अनम्यूट किया सॉरी मैडम
ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम बट आपका आंसर करेक्ट है वेरी गुड ओके
थैंक यू मैम
यस सो जो उन्होंने
Sharon ma'am
यस
Prajakta ma'am is there a difference between safa and turban
Yes, sir. They are made in a different ways.
okay thank you
So in Rajasthan they call it as safa. It is a
Okay, ma'am.
turban only. In English we call it as turban, but in Jodhpur they call it as safa.
okay thank you
वेलकम सर थैंक यू प्रस्ता मैम ओके ओके पगड़ी भी होती है ओके सो व्हाट डिड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड ही गॉट ऑन हिज वेडिंग साफा ओके चंपा मैम वेरी गुड साफा जब वो शादी में गए थे तो उन्हें साफा मिला था गिफ्ट में यस वेरी गुड ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड ही फेल्ट व्हेन ही गॉट दैट साफा उसे कैसा लगा जब उसे वो साफा दिया गया very excited okay happy very excited and very happy super excited and happy yes he was so happy excited okay well done everyone well done okay next question which subject we can integrate while narrating the story प्लीज गिव मी अ सजेशन कि हम कौन से सब्जेक्ट इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं स्टोरी से
सोशल स्टडी
Yes, correct. Very good. Art, history, geography, culture, art, geography, math, art. Yes, absolutely. Math, yes. Languages, dance, music, yes. Math by calculating the size of the shape, dance, sequence, math, yes. वेल डन. सो आज हमने देखा कि हाँ हम स्टोरी से हम स्टोरी के थ्रू हम सब्जेक्ट और कोई टॉपिक भी हमारे बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं. यस. और हमने कौन से वैल्यूज सीखे? क्रिएटिविटी, यस. स्किल, टीचिंग, यस. Yes, my students, please give me more answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Hard work, yes, absolutely. Gratitude, reuse and recycle, yes. जो भी वेस्ट है और उससे हम और कुछ नया बना सकते हैं. Yes, compassion, art of giving, yes, very good. Awesome, my dear children. अब सबने बहुत अच्छे से स्टोरी को ध्यान से सुना और सारे आंसर्स भी अच्छे से बताए. वेरी गुड एवरीवन, वेल डन. To give happiness to others with creativity work. Okay, very good, ma'am. Well said. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you. Happiness, yes, very good, ma'am. Okay, so thank you everyone. Now I request Hina ma'am to take the presentation ahead.
Thank you, Sharon. So we are about to end now. It is said that the art of bringing a story to life is through the inflection in one's voice, rhythm, facial expressions, hands, and body movement. Now, overall, the conclusion is storytelling can touch on all skills in language development, creativity, and very effective. Involves the use of the whole body, holistic teaching method. Storytelling method provides huge space for fantasy and creativity. All language skills, functions, and structures may be taught by stories. Storytelling method is an important teaching technique. It guides a human for his or her whole life and use them when the human learn his or her mother tongue. It is natural to learn a language with the help of stories. Thank you everyone for listening to us very patiently. Thank you for your time and your presence. Now I would request Vice Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts and view on the same.
Hina and team, excellent. We enjoyed a lot, really. The storytelling, the way you all presented, the quiz, the magic show, mathematician, all the concepts, fabulous. Well done. And this was expected from your team. In storytelling, we were expecting some great action, and you really, you could actually come up to our expectations. More than that. बहुत ही अच्छा किया, बढ़िया एकदम. Congratulations, Hina and team. Prajakta, wonderful job, wonderful, excellent. And Veena ma'am, you also were looking great as mathematician. Sharon, you conducted the quiz very well, both the Sharons.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you so much.
My dear friends and colleagues, please, any feedback, you can unmute yourself and let us know.
Everything was very well conducted, as Smita ma'am said, and the entire show was very well woven, I would say. And the very first screen that came up, and that broom, that idea was so creative. I love that word, broomy. And at the moment, I thought it's a doll.
Yes,
Then
I
I
also
realized
like
it's
that
broom.
broomy.
it's
Broomy
Broom.
actions we can see in her voice. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir, to interrupt.
Yeah, and everything was very well conducted, and yeah, that's a Broomy there, and all the teachers were very well presented, and it was awesome, I would say, wonderfully conducted. Thank you, and congratulations, Hina ma'am and the team. Congrats.
Thank you, great sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Alexa.
Anybody else would like to speak?
Yes, Hina ma'am.
Yes, Deepa.
I really enjoyed, and the session was truly engaging and interesting from the beginning to the end. I really enjoyed that, and इतना अच्छा लगा कि हमने तो एंजॉय किया है, लेकिन जो प्रेजेंट कर रहे थे उनका भी एंजॉयमेंट वो भी इतने अच्छे से उन्होंने किया, एंजॉय कि सब किया, तो हमें भी बहुत एंजॉय हो रहा था, बहुत इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हो रहा था अच्छे से देखने के लिए सब. अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा था, फैंटास्टिक.
Thank you so much, Deepa ma'am. It means a
Thank you,
lot.
ma'am.
Hina ma'am,
Thank
it
you,
was
Hina ma'am and the
wonderful
team.
presentation, and opening भी बहुत अच्छी थी with the Broomy, and each and every teacher has given beautiful presentation, either Veena ma'am, Prajakta ma'am or Sharon ma'am, and of course you. बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था मैम. इट्स अ वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड हमने राजस्थान घूम करके हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू मैम. एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स थ्रू वी कैन लर्न थ्रू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट्स. यस, इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत सारा बाहर आया है जो कि बहुत अच्छा था मैम. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Hina ma'am and the team. I just want to say, though I'm from Udaipur, but you took me back to the other nearby district also, like Jodhpur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer. Beautiful, all the forts, either fort or castle or song, that print, Bandhani, everything. You just took me long back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Hina ma'am, heartiest congratulations, Hina ma'am. Wonderful teamwork, I should say. Start from the beginning. We really enjoyed. I really loved it. You made our day simply. I really please accept my deep gratitude from.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nisha ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
अब मैं बोलूं, मुझे कोई बोलने ही नहीं देता.
नहीं अविनाश मैम आप बोलिए.
No, it was too good, ma'am. Fabulous show. And yes, no doubt, Rajasthan का trip बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा था. The sounds and expression and all the things were too good, and mathematician also. The concept was very well taken. I really enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone for your time. Thank you, my dear team. You have done a wonderful job. Wonderful job. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And have a wonderful weekend. Happy Dussehra to all of you in advance.
Congratulations, Hina ma'am and team.
Happy Dussehra to all of you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You too.